absolute shocker. Congress MLA Ramesh Kumar passed a sexist comment saying that when rape is inevitable, lie down and enjoy it. But what's even more appalling is that instead of opposing the offensive remark, the Karnataka Assembly Speaker and members of the Legislative Assembly were heard breaking into laughter. Listen in this.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನಿಸಿದೆ ಈಗ ನಾನು ರಮೇಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ನನಗೇನು ಅನಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ದ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣದಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಿತವಾಗಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡೋದು ಈಗ ಆ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದಷ್ಟೇ ನಂದು.
There is a saying, when rape is inevitable, lie down and enjoy it. That's exactly the position into which you are.
Now, at times now confronted Congress MLA, an unapologetic Ramesh Kumar defended himself, saying he has said nothing wrong and we can draw whatever inference we want. Listen into that as well.
In the assembly, you have made a comment about rape, and you said when rape is inevitable, it's better to lie down and enjoy it.
It is only a saying, that's all. Speaker said, I am enjoying it. I am lying down and enjoying it. I just told him the proverb. That's nothing.
But don't you think it was wrong to say it and it was trivializing, the offense?
No, you people can sensitize over anything. You say you are experts in that in the country. We salute you for your greatness.
Well,
I don't want to comment about it.
No, but
you say we are human beings. No, we are human beings. It was in the course of this thing casually said. You say,
but the offense is not definitely
it's all right. You are at liberty to draw your inference. We are incapable of replying to your comments. You don't find anything important in the assembly.
No, but this is a grave offense. It's a grave offense.
Yes. That is a saying. I only said about a saying. I said there is a proverb in English. Nothing more than that.
So you think it was right to make a comment?
I don't feel it is wrong. If you feel so, you are at liberty to do that. Thank you very much.
On the other hand, Karnataka Speaker has said, perhaps the way he reacted and said, no comments to this statement by Ramesh Kumar. Asked, so what?
It is trivializing a serious offense.
I don't want to comment anything.
So, but when you didn't try to stop him at that point in time, and it's a very serious offense which was trivialized in the assembly, sir. And you along with several other legislators burst into laughter when he makes a statement like that.
No, I don't want to comment. He is a very senior member. Yes, sir. Yes, express his opinion.
Right. So, but do you think it was right to make an opinion like that or make a statement like that?
No, I don't want to comment.